Okay, so here we've got question 13 of Indices 2.3, chapter 2, part 3. So we have to find n in this massive expression here. So what we're looking for is up at the indices, so we have to make all our base numbers the same. So 5 squared, that's fine. 25, I rewrite that as 5 squared, and then that's to the power of a half. 125, I'll rewrite as 5 cubed, that's to the power of 2/3. That's being multiplied by 5 to the power of 3, equals 5 to the power of n. So I'm going to work out my brackets, and I'm going to get rid of my multiply sign and just use brackets instead. So 5 squared. So 5 squared, 2 to the power of a half. So what's 2 by a half? Well, it's 1. So that's multiplied by 5 to the power of 1. 3 by 2/3 is 6 over 3, which will just leave me with 5 to the power of 2. And that's been multiplied by 5 cubed. And that's equal to 5 to the power of n. Now, base numbers are the same and we're multiplying, so we add our powers. So 5 squared multiplied by 5 to the power of 1. Add our powers, and we get 5 to the power, 5 to the power of 3. On the bottom, base numbers are the same, so we add our powers, that's 5 to the power of 5, equals 5 to the power of n. So 3 minus 5, 5 to the power of 3 minus 5 equals 5 to the power of n. 3 minus 5 is minus 2, equals 5 to the power of n. So base numbers are the same, so indices must be the same. Minus 2 is equal to n. And the last question for today, guys, solve this equation. So all of this stuff equals 3 to the power of n. What we're looking for is the n, and it's in the indices, so we have to make all our base numbers the same. So 27, I'm going to write that as 3 cubed. So I've got the cube root of 3 cubed. Multiplied by 3 over 9, I'm going to change that to 3 squared to the power of a half. Multiplied by 3 to the power of 4 equals 3 to the power of n. 3 to the power of n. So my base numbers are the same. Sorry, I must be coming down with something. So I'm going to get rid of my square root signs. So the square root with a cube outside, with a 3 outside, is going to be the power of a third. So that's 3 to the power of 3 to the power of a third. Going to get rid of this multiply sign because I hate them. So multiply by 3 over multiplying 2 multiplied by a half is 1. So it's 3 to the power of 1. Multiplied by 3 to the power of 4 equals 3 to the power of n. So 3 times a third is, so 3 multiplied by a third is 1. So it's 3 to the power of 1 multiplied by 3. Now what do we do when we're multiplying here? We add our powers. That's 3 to the power of 1 by 3 to the power of 4. 4 is 3 to the power of 5 equals 3 to the power of n. Here, this is 3 to the power of 1 as well. So we add our powers. So it's 3 to the power of 2 over 3 to the power of 5 equals 3 to the power of n. So 2 take 5, 3 to the power of 2 take 5 equals 3 to the power of n. 2 take 5 is minus 3 equals 3 to the power of n. Our base numbers are the same, so therefore our indices must be the same. Ta-da!